Yeah, so as soon as you're able to come up with innovative concept after going through the various innovative finding stages, you've been able to come up with the accept, you concluded with the acceptance finding, that is the obstacles and the plan development as well as the action plan. And the next thing is we go through the innovative solution procedure, which as well could be referred to as the innovative solution pre-implementation procedure. And that involves you involves engaging in planning, organizing, culture, as well as controlling. So what the planning does is it enables you to examine your solution in relation to your strength, in relation to your weakness, in relation to the threat within the industry, as well as the opportunity within the industry. If you're not able to synchronize your solution with your strength, as well as if you're not able to analyze your solutions in relation to your strengths, in relation to your weakness, in relation to your opportunities, as well as your threats, you will be invariably, or you might invariably be serving your weakness rather than your strength. You might be able to be focusing on your weakness rather than your strength. So you want to ensure that you engage in planning before you fully launch your product or fully launch your idea. Then you follow through with the organizing. That is, you want to design the roles within your startup, within your business, within your company. You want to be able to identify the major key roles and as well the qualities you would, or the qualities you would expect of people who will be taking up such roles. Take for instance, you might need an accountant, you might need any other role that you know uh, crucial will be crucial for the success of the company. You want to identify those roles and as well analyze the job description. Also, we have the culture. Shockingly, most startups often fail because of the lack good cultures, which can easily thrive their business idea or the business concept. So you want to make sure you come up with a culture, with organization culture that will promote the growth of your business concept. A culture that is well tailored toward your vision, toward your mission, would go a long way in contributing to the growth of your business idea. Because sometimes, even when you have the perfect idea, if you have the resources, if you don't have the perfect team, then your idea might actually be swallowed up within the industry space, sort of. So you want to make sure you design a culture that would promote growth within both the team as well as the organization in such a way that your visions as well as your mission would always be achieved. Then we have controlling. This is an ongoing process, sort of. So at the initial stage, it requires you to design the organization's policy, your business policies, your key performance indicator, as well as product development. That is, at all times, you might have to more like be adjusting your product or your policies towards the attainment of your vision as well as your mission. The controlling is more of an ongoing process. To those who provide services, they would have to ensure they get feedback from their customers and utilizes it towards improving their services or perhaps improving their product in such a way that the customer satisfaction would always be met, and as well the company would always record them to measure their progress. Now let's take a look at the various industries where you could come up with a business idea. So let's assume you've gone through the six innovative finding stages and you've utilized your creativity um, JEP approach in finding a business idea, or you've actually not know, I mean, you actually want to use your six innovative finding stages as well as creativity gear approach to search for a business idea and you don't know which industry to go into, I've actually come up with some industry where you can actually delve into on on a small scale, on a medium scale, and even perhaps on a larger scale. So we'll talk in detail about this in the next video.